Okay guys, we got Memorial Day weekend right around the corner. Let's run into Lowe's and see what kind of deals they got going. Got a Memorial Day special price on the Char grill. Was $2.99. Special price this weekend, $2.49. It's a good looking grill, got plenty of room. You have one side burner. We got the Spectre side weed and grass killer. Was $8.48. New lower price, $7.98. That's for 1 gallon. We have a special price on the Roundup 1.3 gallon weed and grass killer. That was $26.98. Special price $19.98. We got the Miracle Grow garden soil 3/4 cubic foot bag. Special value, buy 3 get 3 free. That price per bag $4.58. We have the Scott Mulch 1.5 cubic foot bags, 5 for $10. You can choose from the red, the brown, or the black. That's a really good price right there, 5 for $10. We have the Bonnie 19.3 ounce vegetable and herb plants, 3 for $12. They still got a really good selection of the tomato plants and a few others. We have the Never King 5/8 inch diameter 50-foot heavy duty garden hose. Was $26.98. New lower price $24.98. That is made in the USA. We got the Greenworks 1800 PSI electric pressure washer. Was $149, now $129. There's your number. We got the Greenworks 1700 PSI portable electric pressure washer. Was $99, now $79. There's your number. We have a Primo hot and cold water dispenser. That was $129. New lower price, $99. And you get a free 5-gallon water bottle with the purchase. We got the Project Source 27-gallon totes. They were $15.98. Memorial Day weekend price, $12.98. And they got plenty of them.